Good morning, everyone. We are in week 3, lesson 2, peripheral devices again. So, you learn in day 1 the input devices. Now, we will discuss about output and input and output or output. So, let's have an objective for today. In the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to one, understand the difference between input, output, and input-output devices used in computer system. Number two, recognize and label common peripheral devices in hands-on activity. So, today, hindi natin siya magagawa yung number two because I'm busy pa rin sa NLCA. But by next week, gagawin po natin ito. Next, number three, develop an appreciation for the importance of quality standard in computer system servicing, fostering a sense of responsibility and care when handling a computer hardware. So, before we discuss again, let's have a different activities before our discussion. Let's have a recall. Name the following input devices. So again, please prepare. Write your answer in a one whole sheet of paper. By the end of the video or by the end of the class, you will pass the answer sheets in my table. On my table, rather. So 3 minutes. Don't forget to write your name and section and the title of the activity. So please write the recall, a recall, then answers only. Less than 2 minutes. Less than 1 minute. again, exchange papers. Number one. Number one, the picture is barcode reader. Next is number two, digitizer tablet. Number three, keyboard. Four, microphone. And last is number five, webcam. So, again, count the correct answers. Don't forget to write corrected by and the signature. Next we have activity. Direction, identify the following terms being as. Number one. Sorry, I'll give you again 3 minutes to answer the 5 questions. If everyone is done before 3 minutes, you can skip the video to know the answer. Less than 3 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. Less than 1 minute. Okay, everyone, time's up. Exchange papers. Number one. A device that prints text or illustration on a paper. The answer is printer. Good job. Next, number two. It plays sound and allows you to perform or to hear music from your computer. The answer is speaker. Next, number three. Uses a laser light to read data, form, or write data on an optical disc. The answer is optical disc drive. 4. It is used in calculation and fax machine. That is thermal printer. Number 5. These transforms telephone data from the internet to computer readable format and vice versa. The answer is modem. Good job, everyone. So please count your answer, the correct answer, and write the score. So let's have analysis activity. What is the difference between input device to output devices? I'll give you 1 minute to answer the question. You can pause the video if you are not done after 1 minute. So we are in a 40 seconds na. Okay, all done. So what is the difference between input devices and output devices? The input devices are the one who sends data. So the keyword is the component peripherals that sends data to the computer. How about output devices? Output devices, these are peripherals that display data to your computer. Okay? So, I hope everyone is correct. So, just check your answer, or just check your own paper there. Next, so let's discuss our topic. So, peripheral devices under output devices. So, let's read. The type of hardware device which display results right after the computer process the data that has been input. So, the keyword, let's highlight the keyword, hardware that devices which display result. So, right after the computer process, the data has been input. So, meaning to say, when I type something, the output device will show the result. So, for example, I type my name. So, saan ko siya makikita? Saang device? Sa monitor. Good job. So, monitor natin makikita. If I click something, I want to write to, my command is to right click. Saan ko siya makikita? Sa monitor. If I type something, then I want to put it in a bond paper, saan ko siya makikita? Sa printer. Good job, everyone. So, again, output devices, these are devices that displays result or displays information. So, next, monitor is for monitor is for a display para lang sa soft copy. Si printer naman is it displays information on a paper. So, the first one is the inkjet bubble jet printer. It produces high-quality text and graphics by spraying ink at a sheet of paper. So, madalas naman natin siguro nakakita na, everyone is nakakita na ng printer, inkjet or bubble jet printer. Next naman, ito po yung mga common na ginagamit na printer sa mga offices and also sa mga computer shop. Kasi mas mura yung ink nito kasi parang tubig lang yung ink nito eh na may kulay. So, apat usually ang colors lang ng ink. Cyan, the color blue. Magenta is the color red. Yellow, as yellow. And black. Next is a laser printer. It uses the same technology as the copy machine, producing a very quality text and graphics. So, same technology as the copy machine. So, si laser printer, ang example ng mga output nito is yung mga magazine. Yung papel na sobrang kinis. May mga printer, laser printer, na kahit common yung bond paper mo, pero yung pagka-print niya ay sobrang kinis. Okay, may texture na medyo mafe-feel mo yung ink. Okay? Next, letter C. Thermal printer, an inexpensive printer. So, mura daw. Murang printer that works by pushing heated pins against heat-sensitive paper used in a calculator and fax machine. So, si thermal printer po ay ginagamit commonly sa mga supermarket para malabas yung mga resibo natin. So, kung mapapansin ninyo yung mga resibo natin sa mga supermarket, sa mga malls, or sa bus, di ba? Ang ginagamit natin ay yung thermal paper. Okay? Yung iba, yung makinis na part na pag sinulatan ng kukon ninyo ay magko-color block. So, yon. So, ito ay thermal printers gumagamit daw ng pushing heated pins para magkakulay or ma-transfer yung data, mag-display ng data, yung papel. Okay? So, ano yung disadvantage ng thermal printer? Sa thermal printer, di ba yung mga resibo natin, after ilang days is nagfi-fade. Okay? So, kailangan natin picturean, for example, for warranty. So, yun. Next, speaker. Sa last na ating output device na nagdi-display. Pero this one, unlike kay monitor and printer, this one naman is, ang pagdi-display niya is nagpi-play ng sound from your computer. Speaker. It plays sound and allows you to hear music from your computer. They may be built-in or cable connected. So, may mga speaker time built-in. For example, sa mga TV, sa mga monitor, sa mga laptop natin, ay may mga built-in na speaker. And also, pwede rin daw through wire. So, kailangan natin mag-connect ng headphone. Okay? Ay, sorry. Mali pala. Kailangan natin connect ng speaker para makarinig ng sounds from your computer. And also, pwede rin sa Bluetooth, ba diba? May mga speaker din through Bluetooth yung connection. So, yun yung madalas na ngayon na trend or update from the update sa speaker is through Bluetooth na lang. So, next tayo. Ulitin natin yung dito sa optical disk drive. Is an internal or external computer disk drive that uses laser beam technology to read and write data. So, again, malibaliktad kasi. So, pag naglagay tayo ng data mula sa computer papunta sa disk drive, ang tawag doon ay output. Kasi naglabas nga tayo ng data, di ba? Output. Pero kapag yung disk drive, kinuha natin yung laman papunta sa computer, it becomes input. So, connect natin siya sa flash drive. Ang flash drive is both input and output. Same na analogy. So, when I save a file from my computer, it becomes output device. It display data. Next is, kapag naman from my device, from flash drive to computer, it becomes input device. Next. Next is the modem. So, yung modem, saan ba natin nakikita ang modem? Sa ating mga internet. Okay? Kay PLDT, na si PLDT nagbibigay ng libreng modem. So, when you subscribe sa different internet provider, they always give you a free modem. So, bakit naging input and output device si modem? So, let's read the paragraph. These transform telephone data from the internet to computer-readable format and vice versa. So, simplihan na lang natin. So, si modem, ito si computer. Kapag yung computer ay ito yung internet. Ayan. Kapag yung internet, so nag-upload ako ng picture, dadan kay modem, it becomes output device. Good job. Output. Paano naman kung magda-download ako ng picture? Okay, from my Facebook. It becomes input device. Again, naging output siya kasi naglabas ako ng data, nag-display sa internet. Then, mula sa internet, nag-send ako ng data or nag-download ako ng data to my computer, it becomes input device. Any questions? Again, if you have questions, please write your question or type your questions in our group chats. So, developing mastery. Write your answer again in your answer sheet. The following images below shows a specific part of an input, output, or input-output device. Your goal is to determine what device does the part belong. Name the device and identify its category. Input, output, and input-output. So, dalawa yung answer na ma-receive ko. Please write 2 answer. First is name the device. What's the name of the device? And identify its category. I'll give you at least siguro 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You can pause this video. So, para mas mahaba yung time, please pause the video, then answer the questions. The questions. Tama. So, I give the answer na. If you're not ready, you can pause the video. Okay, number 1. Number one is printer. So the answer is printer. So what category is the printer? Good job. The category is output. Next, number two, speaker. Speaker is output. Three, monitor. Kaya, to be specific, it is a CRT monitor. But monitor is enough. So the answer is output. 6. Scanner. Scanner is input. 7. Digitizer tablet. Digitizer tablet is input. 8. Printer. Printer, to be exact, it is a bubble jet printer. It is output. Ay, I'm sorry. Ang nababasa ko pala yung 6, 7, and 8. Sorry. So again, 3 is monitor, CRT monitor. It is output. And 4 is modem. Modem is I/O, input and output. 5 is microphone. Microphone is input. 6 is scanner, input. 7, it is a digitizer tablet. It is input. 8 is a bubble jet printer. It is output. 9, it is a thermal printer. It is output. And 10, optical disk drive, input, output. So, I wish everyone got 10. So, please, checker, write your name corrected by your name and the score. 7. So, F. F is generalization and abstraction. So, please, if we have time, you can answer this and post the video. So, you can, you have a lot of time to answer this question. But, if not, it will be assignment. And the assignment, always remember, write it in a intermediate paper. F. Think about a device like a smartphone or a tablet. How does serve as both input and an output devices? Describe the primary functions it performs in each role, and why this versatility is important in modern technology. Bakit ba kailangan parehas na yung nagagawa ng isang device? Dapat maging input na rin siya at maging output. Uh, bakit kailangan na siya ngayon sa modern technology? So, please write your answer. Please, it must be direct to the point para hindi naman mahaba yung babasahin ko. Okay. So, next tayo, the last slide. Thank you, everyone. If you have questions from this video, from our lesson, from this video, please don't hesitate to type your question in our group chat. So, thank you, everyone, and see you again by our next topic. In our next topic. So, bye bye.